Today is ADA's make or break moment. Are we going to see more of the same, the blistering pace that we've been on, this sharp movement to the upside, breaking through levels of resistance, or are we going to slow down a little bit, take a deep breath, and recorrelate with the market to an extent? That's what I want to discuss. And I have to say that we've haven't seen this in a long time when it comes to ADA. 6 straight days of green candles just surging to the upside, breaking through our 20, our 50-day moving averages, breaking back above our long-term trend line, and now approaching our hard resistance at 43 cents. The last time we saw this kind of move in terms of ADA, guys, was all the way back here, all the way as we made our run to 81 cents. And frankly, right now, this is the kind of push that we're on. If the momentum carries, we may surge all the way back to up to 48 cents. Now, this is, not a guarantee. This is not financial advice. And the reason why this is a pivotal moment for ADA is because it's a pivotal moment for the rest of the market. We're seeing BTC having another modest day, climbing just above its 200-day moving average. Hopefully, we can obviously get a close above that. We're approaching our 20-day as well. We're kind of floating in no man's land here, trying to get back to our trend lines. We know that the ADA BTC pairing is doing quite well. We're again at that pivotal moment in that chart too. We're sitting right at our long-term trend. We're sitting at our 100-day moving average. So we're at a lot of these key moments where we could either get basically a very big rejection, or it's very bullish if we break through to the upside. All right. Now, obviously, this is not a guarantee or anything like that. We may have kind of a fake breakout and then kind of a retracement, right? And it would make a lot of sense actually if we did just cool down slightly here. It wouldn't surprise me if, ADA did kind of one of these, kind of approached this 43 cents, trickled down, came back down to our trend line and our support here right around 39 cents before kind of that next breakout, right? Now, again, this is not a guarantee. And what I have to say is that weekends tend to be a little bit tempered. We don't have help from institutional money. We know that was a big help over the course of the week. Massive buying taking place. In fact, Friday was a huge day in this regard. I believe there was like $300 million worth of inflows. Big numbers, guys. And it all comes down to retail. What does sentiment look like heading through the weekend? That's the big question. Right now, I would say sentiment looks very good. BTC, again, slowly trickling to the upside. We know the German government is done selling. And we know that this imminent spot ETF approval for Ethereum is going to be happening as well. There's been talks of this happening next week. There was talks of it last week. There's, it's kind of all just speculation at this point, at least as to when it's going to happen. The thing is from a market perspective, that's not priced in right now. All right. BTC hasn't taken enough of a leg for this news to, in fact, be priced in. In fact, if you guys remember, we had the big announcement, or was it one of these 2 days right here, was the announcement of Ethereum spot ETFs. We went on our surge, and then we've basically sold off. And we're kind of still down in that range of being sold off. So now this essentially turns into a buy the news event where you start to see everything in the market begin to take off, especially Ethereum, right? And now you can almost compound this even further with the movement in terms of the price of ADA. Now, this weekend, I don't think we get any of that news. I don't believe, the SEC is going to come out and say, oh, yeah, we're approving these on a Saturday or Sunday. That'd be kind of strange and kind of odd for them to do. So this next week is going to be where we kind of get our determining factor. That's why I said wouldn't be surprised if ADA cooled off just a little bit. But I will say we've done a very good job of gaining ground here. ADA, from this wick down, guys, has gained 32%. Congrats to everybody that bought the bottom, that was paying attention, that was taking advantage of these opportunities as they have presented themselves. So I appreciate you guys as always. That's what I wanted to share with you. We'll see what happens here. If we can breach 43 cents and hold, and the market starts looking strong, we may be set up for actually quite a fantastic week ahead of us. So appreciate you guys as always. Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.